Hey everybody, April from Left Hook Creations. Today I'm not going to be pouring paint, but I will be working with paint. These are my paint skins. These ones I made, but you can literally pour paint and just let it dry and let those become skins, and then you could peel them off. And depending on what you have down, you know, when you're doing your paint pour is whether or not you can peel them off. But that's basically it. I mean, it's just dried acrylic paint and you can do what you want with it. So I made some. Actually, I started a booklet of them. I'm gonna show you this. So I have these ones I made as well. And then I have a whole page here of ones that I peeled off. And another page here. So I've got quite a few to work with already. And I thought I would take these skins and try to do some jewelry with it. So I got these cute little keys that are used for like necklaces. And you would put your paint skin in here. And then you'll put this on top of it. And what this does is it kind of like, can you see this? It like magnifies. So the neat part is I can literally just kind of, uh-oh, almost dropped it. I should probably not have this tilted. There we go. You can just kind of move this around until you find a place where you're like, okay, I like that spot. You know, I'm going to make that my necklace. Sorry, the glare is real here. Like I was actually looking right here. If I can get out of the glare just enough without dropping that. I was thinking that would make a fantastic necklace. I might actually do that for this one. I was gonna use the ones on here, but I think I changed my mind. Let's see, do I have a better spot for this? This has got some really cool areas too. Nope, I think I've already made my mind up. I think I really like this spot down here. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna cut this out with an X-Acto knife and I will be right back. Okay. I haven't cut this out yet because I figured you might want to see it. I don't have a very great setup for this camera angle wise, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm just going to get this placed where I think I like it. And I'm going to actually just press down on this. And I saw there was one lady that glued her glass piece on first, let it dry, and then just took scissors to the paint and cut it out. I don't know if I want to do that. I think this is literally my first one ever, so I think I'm just going to try it this way and see how this works. So I don't want this to tear. So far, so good. I did a terrible job on this side of cutting. Like, wow, bad. I can't even grab it. Just awful. Bad job, April. Okay. So there's my little piece of paint. So now I gotta decide how I want this to go in here. So do I want it to be this way? Do I want it to be upside down? No, I think I want it to be like this. So. Oh my gosh, I can't open this glue. Oh, that's funny. Why can't I open that? Oh, there we go. This is my husband's glue. So I have no idea what I'm doing with it. That was quite funny. Okay. Just in case I need to spread this around a little bit. Clean this off a little. Tell me this is open and I'm not just crazy. Oh, it's open. It just doesn't want to come out. Wow. Well, that is obnoxiously difficult to get out. I'm just going to spread this on a little bit. I don't think I need a lot for this part of the application from what I've seen. The paint portion doesn't need like a ton, and just gluing the glass piece on top is going to really be the biggest part of this. So I'm just going to get my I don't want to put fingerprints in this either. So I'm just going to smooth this down a little. And make sure it's really in there. Make sure this still fits in, which it does. Awesome. Hey, give it back. There we go. This glue is slightly obnoxious. Wow, is that awful. I've never had glue give me this much of a trouble. Okay. And what I've seen other people do is just kind of smush this around and get it spread around until they like where it's at. And that looks pretty darn fantastic. Oh, wow. I like that. I'm glad I picked that skin. Oh, that's so pretty. Let me show you this. Oh, there's like no good place with this silly light. But look at that. That's so gorgeous. Oh, I love it. All right. Well, I might do a few more pieces and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll put them all in one video. Maybe you're already watching that video. Who knows? Oh, I love it. Cool. Well, anyway, if you liked this video and you want to see how I got some of these amazing skins, go ahead and watch some of my other videos. Subscribe. You'll see more when I post them. I'll make more jewelry videos, I think, too, because I'm going to have lots of skins left over. So if you're liking what you're seeing, subscribe for more, guys. And let me know in the comments if you like this jewelry or not. Yeah, I dig it. I'd totally wear that. Well, I made 2 more. I made 1 of each color. So here's the original one that you guys sort of saw me make. I love it. And then I made this bronze one. This looks like a planet to me, so I was like, yeah, I gotta do that. And then this one is black. And just, oh, I love it. I love it. This was so fun. In the process, my E6000 wouldn't come out of this end, so I squeezed a little harder and it decided to come out of that end. So, word to the wise, if you use that, maybe don't squeeze so hard. But anyway, I'm quite happy with these. These came out just beautiful. I'm definitely going to be buying more little kits and things. Maybe some earrings. I don't know. We'll see. There's got to be more fun things I could do with this stuff. I'm only just begun. So thank you for watching. Until next time.